You gonna help Daddy do a push-up? All right, ready? Okay, we gotta get
Brandon.
down. Okay.
Step it on me.
All right, ready? Ready?
Brandon.
Go push. Okay, ready? Push. Oh, that's pretty good. Ready? Push.
You gotta pick your belly off the floor, Sally.
Ready? You gotta push.
Push.
Oh, almost. There you go. Ready? Ready? Push. Push.
Get ready to do the worm.
That's good.
Good job, Blake.
You want to sit on Daddy? Here. Here we go. Ready? Okay.
Uh-oh. Grab his nose.
All right, you ready? Ready? Blake, you ready? Ready? Push. 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 Push.
You're silly.
Push.
Daddy's silly.
You're silly.
Brandon.
All right, you ready? There you go. Blake, hey, do you want to do some more push-ups? No. No? Okay.
Blake, what does your shirt say?